Hello everyone and welcome. Today I would like to talk about valid palindrome. A valid palindrome reads the same forward and backward. Here the question asks you to test if a phrase is a valid palindrome. It is considered an easy question. One requirement though is you convert all the uppercase letters into lowercase letters and remove all non-alphanumeric characters. So how can we test that? If we have two pointers, the left pointer and the right pointer, initialize to point to the first and the last characters of a string, and then we want to traverse toward the middle of the string, then it will be always true that the left and right pointers point to the same character during a loop if it's a valid palindrome, and this property is called loop invariant. One point of consideration is that we need to convert the character to lowercase and bypass any non-alphanumeric character. With the background introduced, now let's write the code. First of all, we want to initialize two pointers. The left and the right pointer point to the first and the last characters in the string. Then we want to test the property that the two pointers point to the same characters if it's a valid palindrome. Okay, we will type it down. The point to the same character if it's a valid palindrome. So we have a while loop here. This while loop, we only need to test when the left is still less than right. And so what is the property we want to test? If the character that the left pointer point to is if it's not the same as the character the right pointer point to, then we know this property is not true. Then we will return false. Otherwise, the left character will move to the right, and the right character will move to the left. We also need to convert the character to be a lowercase and handle any non-alphanumeric cases. So while left is less than right, and if this character that the left pointer point to is not alphanumeric, then we know we need to move it to the right. And we're going to do the same thing for the right character, sorry, the right pointer. If this right pointer point to a character that's not alphanumeric, we decrease the right pointer as well by 1. And if by the end of this for loop, the while loop, is still true, then our property must be true. So, and then finally we return true. Okay, so that is our code for this question, valid palindrome. Let's test this. Submit. It's pending, judging, done. It's pretty good. Let's analyze the runtime complexity. And before that, we're going to just add a little bit comment to make it the supposedly loop invariant property. For the time complexity, we have on, since we traverse through each character once, precisely once. And then for the space complexity, we have O1, since we do not use any extra space to store the reversed or cutting off string. We just compare the string itself or the character within the string. And that's it. That's all for this video. Hope you find this video to be useful. Please subscribe for more videos. And I hope to see you next time soon. Goodbye.